Hey YouTube, this is Justin with JMG Computers, and today I'm going to show you how to give your old technology a drastic bump in speed. Today I'm going to show you how entry-level equipment as well as a budget solid-state drive upgrade can give you a noticeable increase in performance. What I'm going to do is show the difference in speed between going with the 5400 RPM mechanical drive up to the solid state drive. What the tests are going to be is powering on the computer, getting to a fully loaded desktop with all the icons showing up, going online, getting to a fully loaded website, shutting down the browser, and then shutting down the computer until it reaches a fully powered off state. As you can see, I have switched from a time-lapse mode to a real-time recording to show the drastic difference that installing this hard drive can make for your older laptop or desktop computer. I feel that this is one of the best upgrades for the money that you can do for your computer if you feel that you're up for it. If you don't feel that you can accomplish this on your own, then please contact a qualified computer technician to do it for you and give your older computers a longer lifespan and significantly better performance. I hope that you like this video, and please make sure to leave any comments or suggestions you might have, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Please make sure to also click on the like button and subscribe to my channel to see more videos that I list, hopefully on a weekly basis. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.